Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this installment we have these nut removers, or nut and bolt removers should I say. So it comes in a set of 10, and we go from 9mm to 19mm, so it's 10 different sizes. And they're all nicely laid out in the case here, as you can see. We have this lovely little guide here that tells you the size that the remover will fit, and then the size of the outside hips. So for instance, let me get one of these out. So we've got out the 16mm remover here, and we need a 24mm socket or spanner. I don't know why that's so difficult for me to think of, but yeah, socket or spanner at 24mm. And all you do with these is simply just put them over the rounded off nut or bolt and give them a little turn tap with a hammer, and they dig in with these little serrated teeth that I'll show you a close up of in just a moment. Yeah, and what they do is they dig in, and as you remove it they dig in more, and this help you remove these stubborn rounded off fasteners. They are quite handy. This is my second set of these because they do get worn out after a while, get a bit bashed and battered around, but the first set I had was great. So here's just a close up of the teeth, as you can see. They've got nice serrated little, almost like a flower shape. That's what really helps dig into the fasteners as you're removing them. Another quite handy feature of these is the fact they've got holes in them. This is twofold. One, to help you remove the round your fastener once you get it off. You simply just pop it on, and then you get either a hammer and a punch, and just hold this with a pair of pliers and punch out the damaged fastener, and that gets them off. Also, if you're working on, say, a bolt that's on the end of a stud, you'll just slide it down and it'll go over the stud, well, most studs anyway. You'll be able to remove it. So if you had a bolt here, let me quickly say for instance here, this is 30mm and this is the remover for 30mm. You'll be able to get it down, and then you'll be able to work it off without damaging the stud. So if this nut would round off, it'd be perfect for that. So my final thoughts on these, they come in really handy, saved my bacon a few times. Particularly when, as I mentioned in the last clip, when you've got a bolt or nut that's rolling off the end of a stud. Get these down there, give them a gentle tap on with a hammer, and then you can remove them. But yeah, overall, great little kit, worth having in your toolbox for the price. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.